Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. Stock number Z6977A. 69,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new. We also have all the service records for it. Onyx black in color. Seats 5 with leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space below. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding windows for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with parking sensors for additional safety. Heavy duty trailering package. Easy lift tailgate, spray in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals, put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake control, large, easy to read gauges, with driver information system. This Denali has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, Leather.If steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated and cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Diesel exhaust brake, all the power outlets you'll ever need. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, moonroof, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Denali has a 6.6 liter turbo diesel V8, 397 horsepower, along with 765 pound-feet of torque. Approximately 75% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6977A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.